Hello students, we are continuing the chapter Arithmetic with MSW logo, that is in your book has given in chapter 7. We are just now last portion of this chapter where only thing is left to discuss the label command. So to discuss this one, first I am typing something on the screen, then only you can just understand the difference between label and the other logo arithmetic commands. Writing something there. Suppose PR, look carefully, PR space 2 numbers, 40 I am adding 2 numbers, okay, plus What is the result? 40 plus 40, that is 80. And where it is displayed? It is displayed to the recall list box. Still, the drawing area or the main window remain blank. Only whatever we have done, only the shapes what we have drawn can come to this main screen. Understood? So till now what the calculations we have done in our previous classes, all the result has come to the recall list box. We cannot bring it to the main window or the drawing area. But here only the difference between label and other commands. Basically the label command will print the output in the drawing area. Understood? The sentence has been given to your book. Very easier manner. You can understood that what is the function of label command. Again I am telling, label command will print the output in the drawing area. So till now whatever the things has done in arithmetic operations, always the result will be printed to the recall list box. Now let's check that what is the result coming by using the label command. Same things I am doing. Label L-A-B-E-L, label. Again I am telling, in your book it has given in a capital letter, but it is no matter whether you are writing capital, small, both, only capital, only small, because it is not case sensitive. You can write in capital, you can write it small letter, as I have written in small letters. One space, same numbers. What are the numbers I have used earlier? 40 plus 40, same way. But here I am not using PR. In the place of PR I am writing label, L-A-B-E-L, then 40, same things, 40. Then enter. See, in the recall list box, no result has come. So where the result has gone? Look at the main screen or the main window or the drawing area. The result is now there displayed, 80. So understood? In this way, if you doing the subtractions by using the label command, what is the way? First I am using PR command. PR space 60 minus 20. Enter. Only PR command or using any function or inbuilt functions, like the result will be coming to the recall list box. Now it's time to use the label command. Same operator, same numbers, but only the command is different, that is label. L-A-B-E-L. One space. Must remember where to use space, where to not. Same way. 60 minus 20. But before that, remember, you have to clean the screen. So I am first cleaning the main screen. What to write? CS. CS will clear the previous data from there. Now I am using label LABEL space 60 minus 20. What is the result? 40. Previously, by using PR, the result has come to recall list box. Now only by using the label command, the result has come to the drawing area or the main screen. So, understood, these things I can only discuss, or just the things can be discussed in the class, but things will be memorized more if you practice these things, whatever has given in the book. Look at your book. In the lab sessions, so many here functions with arithmetic operators has given. So what to do? You just practice such kind of things by seeing my videos, YouTube videos. Also you can practice the things more and more time. As much times as you practice, the things will be more easier to understand and the things will be memorized for that extent of time. So for today only, up to this, the chapter has finished. So whatever has done, keep practicing from this chapter and the previous chapter also. Read these things and be prepared for your next upcoming exam. So thank you for today.